Our rain garden is used for curriculum and it's used to help the environment, but today it's being used for something much more special. Today we're here to honor a student of ours. His name is Garrett Schomer, and Garrett died tragically when he was a 4th grader here at Benson West. And so when Garrett died, the tree right behind us was planted in his honor. And last year, Mrs. Lastly, one of our 6th grade teachers, in collaboration with Steve Rohde from UNO, designed this rain garden. And the primary focus of the rain garden, the students could do anything they wanted to design the rain garden, but they decided as a group that the tree would be the focus of the rain garden.
Garrett was someone that, he was never the first one done with his work in class, but his work was always perfect. That he really cared about his schoolwork, and he was a real perfectionist when it came to getting his work done. And he was an honor roll student, but he just really cared about his job here at school and his education. But he also cared about his classmates. I remember he was on student council here. I remember Mrs. Bruce taking her class back then down to kindergarten, and I remember Garrett and his classmates reading with the little kindergartners at that time. And I remember Garrett in the cafeteria, he had the biggest smile ever. His sister has the same exact smile as Garrett. But I remember he'd have this big smile in the cafeteria with peanut butter, peanut butter and jelly, on the side of his cheeks. He always had peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for lunch. But in general, he was the kind of student that would do the right thing when none of us were looking. And any of us who work any of us that work with kids, that's our goal, is to get kids to do the right thing when no one's looking, and Garrett was that kind of student.